Hello everyone, I'm here again for you. So today we will learn something new. What's that? Let us think that someone is asking you, ma'am, how much is 0.5 liter? How much is 0.5 liter? How can I tell it? Or 0.5 liter, is it more or less than 50 centiliter? I need to compare it. But how can I do it? This is in liter and this is in centiliter. How can I compare all of these things? Tell me. Exactly so. I can compare the things when they will be in same unit, isn't it? So now I need to convert this 0.5 liter into centiliter so that I can compare the quantity. Okay. Now how to do it? We have learned that liter to centiliter. One unit to another unit conversion. 3 steps we have learned. At first, we need to think that is this conversion higher to lower unit conversion or lower to higher unit conversion. That is the first step to check. So, let us check it. Okay, so this one is in liter. Liter is the basic unit. Liter to centiliter. So, liter to centiliter conversion means bigger unit to smaller unit. So, what do we know? Basic unit is liter, then deciliter, then centiliter. So, 2 steps where I am jumping. 1 step, 2 steps. Okay, 2 steps I am jumping. Since bigger to smaller unit, we need to multiply by 10 to the power 2. That is 100. So, let us multiply into 100. And when I have multiplied by 100, this liter will be converted as centiliter. Okay, this much is fine. Now, how to do this multiplication? This one is in fraction and with the odd. This one is in decimal, I can say rather. This decimal number, how can I multiply by something? Let's think it. Yes, there is a good idea. How to solve it? Let us remove this decimal point. Okay. And 0.5 means nothing but 5 divided by 10. Okay. And this one all of you know it. Now we will apply the concept of fraction reduction. Okay. Both the two I will divide by 10. And here I am getting 1, here I am getting 10. 10 tens are 100. So here I have got it. So 5 into 10. How much have I got? 5 into 10. 0.5 is nothing but 5 only. So 5 into 10. That is 50. So 50 centiliter. That is 0.5 liter. Means 50 centiliter, and someone else have already given me 50 centiliter. So these two are same. These two are same. So how to do it? Once again I am telling. So whenever the units will be, that quantities will be given, before comparing, we need to convert it into same unit. Okay, we need to convert it into same unit. Now, how to convert? That you know it. Okay, we need to, if higher to lower unit, then multiply by power of 10. Or if lower to higher unit, then we can divide it by power of 10. Okay, so that is the simple concept as we have learnt in previous video. So by using that concept, you need to make the units as same unit. Okay, then compare the amount. So here is also 50, here is also 50. And in both the two cases, here is also centiliter, there is also centiliter. So both the two amounts are equal. Okay, so let us try to make it in another way. So 50 centiliter if I am thinking. So centiliter to liter if I am converting. Centiliter to liter. Liter is the basic unit. At that time I am coming 2 steps back, and that is from smaller unit to higher unit. Okay, so for that 50 centiliter, if I want to convert it into liter, at that time I need to divide by power of 10. Power of 10, that is 10 to the power 2, which is 100. Okay, 1 followed by 2 zeros, that is 100. And at that time this centiliter will be converted as liter. Now after that 50 by 100, if I am expressing it in decimal, that is 50 100th. What does it mean? 0.50. Okay, that 2 zeros and 2 digit I have taken for one decimal point. And 0.50. Why again 0.50 means what? 0.50 is nothing but 0.5, because using the concept of equivalent decimal. So in this way also you can see that yes, this is nothing but 0.5 liter. So both are same. Isn't it interesting? We will meet in that next video with more examples like this. Okay, thank you.